After AOI inspection, it will go to visite inspection by our QA workers.
So here they inspect manually by using their eyes.
Yes, by eyes. The appearance looking so good.
Yeah, no mistakes.
If the board has Pcba components, it will go to this machine for checking.
How does this machine check?
Check the IC soldering quality. This is with soldering line.
So here they will solder by hand.
For patch quantity, we will use this line for wave soldering to ensure the soldering quantity. So here we can have a look. That's our workers show to you how do they work. You can have a real feeling how to import.
Oh, I see. So they put it manually into the board.
Yes. After import components, we will put the board into the fixture and deliver to the oven. The two-wave soldering will ensure the quality is even. After assembly is finished, it will have to complete cleaning. It will be delivered to this machine for cleaning. This is components coating.
What is it used for?
For waterproof, humidity-proof, protects the board. In order to enhance production efficiency, we need a PCB in panel arrays. This board is so small with small holes, so we need this machine to remove the print. This screen shows all the boards in packaging. If your board is here, you can see the orders.
Yes, I can see it. It's over there.
The same system.
How about this one?
This is for DIP real time. It's for final inspection. Our QC will check according to IPC standards. So beautiful and great.
Wow. You even have an assembly service over here.
Yes, we can. One-stop service. This area is for functional testing. If customer have special requirements, then we will do this. How do you feel about us after your visit?
I think it's incredible. Very efficient and at high speed. Once we finish, the board will be here and ready to reach the customer.
Yes, with solid package, it will be delivered.
Amazing.
We had a nice visit with you today. Welcome you next time for a visit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
After visiting PCBasic, I was seriously impressed by the differences of PCBasic and traditional factories. PCBasic incorporated an EMS system they developed all by themselves, including IoT and AI, machinery and robots that run around the factory and help you produce at mass capacity and max speed. I highly recommend PCBasic to anyone to create their own product like I've created my own. Hey boss. Yes, the project is perfectly fine. PCBasic did an amazing job.